Welcome to MB Updates, your number one stop to top entertainment and trendy political and local news.
We notice that tomorrow is a public holiday, and therefore plenty is clear at a loss. We appreciate that the matter is possible to put this law because that initial matter before you, though we are actually at a loss to even to interpret your own finding that it is not a prima facie case. Therefore, we need certified copies as soon the post proceedings as well. These proceedings as they were for us to be able to move to the next level. The tragedy is the destruction continues, the suffering of the people continues, and this is a national tragedy.
As that entry is not contested by the applicant. The applicant's case that they purchased the suit property has not been supported by any evidence, and therefore they have not demonstrated that their root of their title is clean, even at the prima facie level. In the premises, I find and hold that the applicant has failed to demonstrate the prima facie case. Therefore, after the applicant have failed to prove a prima facie case, the question as to whether there was an irreparable injury or the balance of convenience becomes moot, as the requirement for irreparable injury is predicated on a prima facie case. The upshot is that there is no merit in the application dated 11 October 2023, and I dismiss the same to the defendant. Such proceedings and ruling, such proceedings and ruling is applied to the parties on payment of court fees. Senior counsel will complete the ruling on Monday, and you can have
The proceedings as well.
Yeah. I'm not sure which the ruling, because the proceedings were done today, but the ruling will be decided on Monday.
Clearly need the proceedings in order to proceed an appeal.
So we can try to endeavor to ensure that there's time that is for in the next 3 days from Monday. They should be ready by Wednesday.
Which is nice.
The type of proceedings to be supplied to parties, the court will ensure that the proceedings are filed by Wednesday. Counsel to pick the ruling on Monday at 1 p.m.
Much obliged, Your Honor.